Alright guys, welcome back to another one on Turbo. Alright, we're going to go over why I believe it is going to be a top 5 meme coin. So the first thing I'm going to go over is the tokenomics. It's not even a billion market cap yet. Alright, it's very affordable at below a penny. The circulating supply is 92%, which basically means that it's a safe play. Nobody can crash the token. Alright, and the growing community and the marketing and partnerships with Turbo virtually guarantees the success of the token. Okay, smaller market cap than the other popular meme coins like Brett or Floki or Pepe. All right, there's just several more, but so this basically means you're making more for your buck with Turbo if Turbo and say Floki and Brett all go up. Okay, if you put $100 into Turbo, $100 into Floki, and $100 into Brett, and you sell all at the same time once they've gone up, you will have made more for that $100 from Turbo than you would with Floki or Brett. Okay. Okay, and you can see the tokenomics here, right? So the 92% circulating supply, it's only not even a 400 million market cap. Okay, while all the other ones are over $1 billion now. Okay, so Floki, the Bretts, the Pepes of the crypto world are, just sitting over $1 billion, while this one is still, it's not even 500 million or a half billion. And on a 69 billion Turbo, max supply is really good because you look at Pepe and a lot of these meme coins, you're looking at hundreds of billions or even trillions in supply, and that can be hard to keep up with. The smaller the supply, the better, obviously. That's just basic tokenomics. So, let's see here. Next up is the holders and the X followers, or the Twitter followers, are growing daily, alright? We are up about 3,000 holders and about 5,000 followers since the beginning of the month, okay? And that's despite any corrections or dips and FUD from people who bought in on hype alone without any conviction. Alright, so we'll pull up here. I've got a notepad here that I've documented since June 3rd. I believe it's 0.2K now. Yeah. So right here. And if we go to, where is it, the Turbo Ether scan, I'll show you that as well. So yeah, 33,618 holders for Turbo token. Alright. So essentially, again, that is, we're up about 3,000 since June 3rd holders, 3,000 holders, and we're up about 5,000 followers. So we are growing in holders and community, all despite the negativity of the corrections and dips of the last couple of weeks. All right. Third, the community is very active, posting several posts per day with regular updates, announcements, and upcoming partnerships and marketing. And there's a big announcement on Tuesday that everyone's stoked for. There's a funny little video from 5 hours ago. 17 hours ago was a post. Another one yesterday. Another one yesterday. Another one yesterday. Got some promotions there. Got other people talking about it. Then where is the one? The announcement. Here we go, right here. Yeah, Tuesday, June 25th. We have a big partnership announcement. Okay, so real quick, it's available on Uphold, and it has been, and it was recently listed on Crypto.com, right? And Binance and Coinbase listings are imminent. Okay, they're coming. So last thing, all right, this guy's the founder and the creator of Turbo. Basically, he used ChatGPT to create this meme coin. He put all the parameters in and gave it all the instructions, what he needed from it, on a budget of $69. And between ChatGPT and the community around him, it took off, and as in his own words, it said it took a life of its own. Um, and if you watch his video on how he came up with it, you'll see his passion. You'll hear about the passion of the community. And around the 20-minute mark, if you're going to watch any of the video, I'd say, watch about the 20-minute mark to the rest of the video. All right, and you'll see why the community is so strong, and you'll see why I have such strong conviction. All right. All right, and you can find that video here, Rep Mankind, how I used AI to make a $20 million meme. And, all right, guys, I want to say thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and just remember to like and subscribe if you found this content valuable, or if you've enjoyed any of my content. And real quick, I just want to point out that I have a profile on X, link to my YouTube video on there, got a website on the back end, and yeah, you'll just see posts regularly on Turbo, and I'll be including some other investments here soon. Yeah, if you think you could use direction in crypto, feel free to DM me, and I can help get you on the right track. All right, guys, take care and enjoy the rest of your weekend. And here's to another profitable week, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.